Ever pondered the limitations of your current smartphone? Does it lag during gameplay, or perhaps it struggles to keep up with the demands of 5G technology? Well, the Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G is here to challenge those limitations. The Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G, a marvel of technology, leaps into the future with its 5G capabilities. Experience the thrill of lightning-fast internet speeds and seamless connectivity on this future-proof device. But the Realme 12 Pro Plus doesn't stop at 5G. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset. This powerhouse of a processor ensures a smooth, lag-free experience, whether you're multitasking, streaming, or playing your favorite game. Now imagine a display that's as vivid as reality itself. The Realme 12 Pro Plus boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a 240 Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're scrolling or streaming, the experience is immersive and smooth. The Realme 12 Pro Plus also shines in the camera department. A quad camera setup with a 50MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, a 64MP telephoto lens, and a 32MP front lens. It offers advanced features like 5x optical zoom and 4K video recording, so every captured moment is a masterpiece. Battery anxiety is a thing of the past with the Realme 12 Pro Plus. A massive 5000 mAh battery coupled with 67W super-fast charging technology gives you hours of usage with just a 30-minute charge. And it comes in 3 stunning colors: blue, red, and black. This device doesn't just pack a punch in terms of features, it also sports a sleek and stylish design. The stunning gradient finish with a matte texture is visually appealing and comfortable to hold. Security is no afterthought on the Realme 12 Pro Plus. Choose between a fast and accurate in-display fingerprint scanner or facial recognition to unlock your device. To top it off, it also features Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity. In summary, the Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G isn't just a smartphone, it's a game changer. With its 5G capabilities, powerful processor, stunning display, impressive camera setup, sleek design, and long-lasting battery, it's the device that has it all. It's the perfect choice for those who crave a top-of-the-line smartphone experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until the next time.